Abele there. Me the many to more. Na chese be 2007, 2008.
Na sa wonu ehwe mu a. Hey.
Me ba temache.
That's what did you about 20 years ago?
Aye.
21 years. I said, wahwe wa ma wanyi.
Aye, Abele. Ntikura ntimi nwale.
Ama ntimi nware. Ne nkwan ne so. Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Gihok Distilleries, Daro Natural Mineral Water, and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.
Aha ne bosso, Fufuo Wo Krom. 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 Aha ne bosso. Wadding. Ne bosso. What up? Mumbeti. Mwesi ya die pia na die ye bepi. Ye pen kwampa hria yentie mudede no. Kwame nyamponza na dog in the one piece no. Mfi said Fufuo Wo Krom. Aha ne bosso, 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 Yema wa ponche krakra, emu de papa. Inkrani bidi ya osi ngomi pakpa. Agranti ya nasadowa. Upe sumunam. Ye wo me kwanga bunu kati kunto na twie ni nyakokko. Ye burade ye fufu. Ye bedi. Ba ye de fufu. Ye bedi. Menke fufu. Ye bedi ye banki fufu.
Aha, Abusiafo, welcome to yet another edition of Fufuo Wo Krom, your favorite food show on Ghanaian television, Abusiafo, and also on YouTube. This is Fufuo Wo Krom. I am yours truly, IBK, the food marshal. And then, TEMA Community 3, Site B. We are going to check out one of the best chop bars in TEMA, and of course in Ghana. Ebano, a fearful pa, what you say, they are the best. Bush meat, and not be out benya. In fact, in crime be out benya. It's the sea and yours truly. They quite inside. Yeah, quite checking what is inside the wagon. And what I say, young wasted time, no long talk. Dimachi, young go checking what is inside the wagon. This is yours truly. One for one. What you say inside the wagon? Right, and here inside Abele chop bar, our TEMA Community 3 Site B. The band Fufuo dia Abele dia nobody, no bakawaya, no size. Now yours truly, let's get inside and talk to the foodies. One way did you know? Ni ani omunin komo, no one trying. Everybody na ye introduce Abele almost anyway. When the chums Abele Fufuo bi wa Abele chop bar there. Is the see ano me go inside the wagon and also engage some of the patrons. Jack, me can catch you say. I am the only one. I became the food marshal. This is my scepter. Many hajimi atumo wiasa bebia me kwa multinational. What I say locally acclaimed, internationally recognized. Me catch you say ben fufudia. There's only one gate to heaven. Me and I'm Angel IBK. Me sure we first akodi fufu. Ahaya TEMA. Your Community 3 Site B. Jack, ope fufu dia. Me can catch you say only na mwana obebie e wo TEMA dia. Ma me ba ko pe no wagidi. One ne ma abusuan nkyemfa omuni mu nkwan ye nkwan se of fifi ni akire ne nkwan so for masase wo so eye Abele ba ko pe choba na oka Abele a na ode agye ebetu ya ne di ko abusan se ma me ebetu na eda ne ba sabe me hu say Jack Toronto bi asset wo ha na je say wo de ade na block mi hu nkwan wo ni pabone wa gini fufuo na nam so yezu unu amani nsan mano na aba ba enche bedumi so onia ngasa de say
Midiangasa de oblité comme. Yeah.
Now I am what say fancy bi ku kokoso dia na omo de jiwo
Abele
na that's what did you Abele ache.
Yes.
Nkwani heavy.
Nkwani so e kama.
Na oba o ji den.
Ele me ba no.
Protein dia na so.
Efi akukọ ho.
How do you feel conquer?
There be if you conquer, if you
that's right.
Wow.
That's right.
Now we watching no. Ni na mwankasa ni yemu ade nso ni emlebo na nkasa nso da ha.
That's right.
Denenu meje na mienu pe.
Ntoji akokɔ ne pa mu. Na oje yemu ade no wanka ho asem mehu.
Yes.
That be fufu ache ontimi heavy pa. Na we no ya otwe yemu ade.
Yes, otwe yemu ade na nkasa.
Na nkwan no oje ni futum France wa hu.
Oh yes, muji ni futum France.
Futum France of boxing we kakra no boxing we kakra no owo so no.
Muji nkwan miensa.
Nkwan miensa we
dey. Ma nwa nso muji nwa nkwan.
That's right.
Na mesanje akukọ nkwa na mesanje wotwe na nkasa
we heavy. When am me pe local choba di ebusha for medical catch so be di fufu a esa ukọ fufu o kodi bi akọ choba yam fa machine e na fufu since tete aya na nan wo fufu no eye tumfa ya ka tumfa waduro ni e womanie wo di shem how to tum we ya na wafa etika fufu di anka wo pesa o kapa di ani di no ka tumfa ne de esa nka fi tumfa chim tumfa na nso fufu no ye universal food obi apele say Chinese food na ani ya ku fufu ho Jack enu tino odidi wa Abele how many years ni minua
hey Abele di acho Abele di me di many tutumwa na tesebe 2007 2008
na sa wo no ehwemu a hey
ni bata mache.
That's what did you about 20 years ago? I'm 21 years. I said, wash your money.
Abele. To cry to me, Wally.
Amount to be worried. Then quite so.
Baha, if them Ofie.
I don't know if you Ofie,
not just say if you quite pay. Now, so say, yeah, we are not the one that's how you can finish. Me a 50-50 and can have it.
Then can for the money crapping for the aha. Enti fantastic. Me who said fufu no so who do fufu a ope fufu no say mremremra na dindin dia na ho ne ho.
Oh boko me dey me bakra na me say twa sika mo san wo fufu.
Na so open mo ton. Say na obeti me adi dodo. Yes, we are heavy. Na udi wie nso ankwan ne say ya ugushi wonom. Oh. So ni me say ankwan ya ma be ma de.
Hey,
until wajini bebre.
Ene majini bebre we a wo he. Ebi nka.
Obanum.
Ai, me no na nufu asise.
Unufu keke. Oshua na say asise wo be ma. The man of nufu asise wo be ma. Num kwa na oshua won tori.
Num na ba bia.
Ka sen tori. Oshua be asise. No esa udufie na say madam ba. O de kan ba kwa o to pio bo sa etik. Motom. That's right. Now who say fufu so yan ni kan nurse also your member.
Oh, asole a wo kono mi ko bi
pepe. One of kakra have Africa.
Yes, asole a wo kono. Enua bi na me so me ko.
Na so abo two dida. We na the way aguso.
I'm the way no I top up let say we am the way koda.
Obedi fufu dia enya so de wani kan tradition so dia na e bo akopɛ. No one help Africa. Give hug distilleries na ye. Ghana yadwuma ku am dele distillers ha. One mo Kwame Nkrumah le bie 1958 na give hug bie. Obo the three musketeers. I have Africa, Mandingo, and a Castle Bridge Jack. I feel so bad. No so who say a dark natural mineral water. In so I did if you are chamber grow. Bipom, a chamber grow bipom if you say drink cranberry. And they go for the Ghana have beer. They recommend you one year. 350 or 600 ml na 1 liter Jack. And control in swa the munya de and then swa yinya to swa ya fresh. Ja also your member when you be yes we have bogus so
we am there go and one
we have fantastic. Abija for Fufuo Wo Krom makacho say ope fufu de amu wa amano nani ade amu hwe me Ghana ha ba bia ohwe GH1 TV every Saturday 9 and that's to 9:30. Na ba chiro areas and it chop bar open fufu dia ubedi uko YouTube so Fufuo Wo Krom at YouTube uba broche na uba Ghana udu TEMA dia me recommend Abele chop bar and am dia ma o si ebetu ja enam bia upe bia obenya biwa oriata oyo aprawa wansan akrantie okusie otwe kokorekora obenya biwa nwan so ha na mmiri wa ja enamo ye boya prekontre and the man yo and your body beef ni ade wo mo ye heavy abusha for yenko me say that and so chanity na no obo no yes chairman many sound boko there that's right what that roman would you understand say Mr. Baby, who TEMA now yet more TEMA. Me a driver. Fantastic. In Abele, I introduce you man who said Johnny be a dewa. The Amia and in Amanenam was in your baby and ye. That's right. Two Busa once. Open baby, I was a wow, not a boko, and I will baby and a papa. How many years in here introduce you Abele Choba amount? Oh, and I will discover. I name Momudia me ba on me Samachi. I remember me by who I know 2010. Hey, now sir, Simon Khan, why did you have 16 years? Now, February, when we say ne would mutuo. Abele awoba Fufuo Wo mutuo kunkunte. Dia na adana what Fufuo da na wo obi am Fufuo. Enti uba dia na waje batopen kwan aduane. Tuba na waje wa mutuo. That's right. Now we show am waye du. Na na no je dia benkwan. Abenkwan ne mutuo ne akoko na salmon. Na oje unkruma. Na yopoyo. Me won say nsuo no papa ne bi na onom daro natural mineral water. We have you more there. Na kwame nkruma nsan de ma Ghana. Herbal freight bitters. You budidi. If you any kind of ja, abankwa ni muti say. Nkwa na de. Ntina me kwa me ntumi nsan me kwa me ba da bia. That's right. Because oba no wa kokọ no wa ma na je wa medidi. Wa medidi. De nam dia ahodo. De ope bia no ma engase me nya bi. We are champion. Dia aduane de ye di ache. We are champion. Unia introduce yourself say we do tema na ope ba bia didi a fufu a joint be we chere some point. I try that me the dom kraba e bi use private car na eba me do me obi wo barrier no ya otuka be di otuka me direct no man ba. That's right. Me do obi afi po me de na amanaba the obi afi Gulf City me de na ba na se bian ni emu ode and dia me di aduane pa di aduane pa won me body fire fresh kuni am das papa kra and enjoy what abusan for sana me di kan catch on me say bani fufu dia nipa ba ko pe no betimi a kire I am me IBK I am the food marshal me na me kire say aha kona kodidi na epuo me ka say enye kura pini say enye the strawberry wo ho na okwando you can even travel let's say travel and see na bratema odo tema o say o dia fa share Google map ne so but Abele chop bar bo say be yama tema community 3 e was site B obo wo say nchenia wo say ko Abele chop bar no side na Google abesan dia ma ebetu e kire me se me ne ma make asa ebetu no obekire mi mu say yeah e ma ye ko yeah e ma ebetu ebe mu ebusafo ye gusu awa ha ye be ko run kakra ne ani wo mo edidi no nso bi e di nkomo ye twa ho kakra ne agento nkratwa ba ne mo ma men kai say eye Fufuo Wo Krom wo ma so ya sene ne ye de brew no eye help African gin bitters if you give up distilleries and I say Daro natural mineral water bani su papa dia Daro natural mineral water I say emutu yi e bana emu aduane a emu ba ko pe na me recommend am Abeba Thai jasmine rice what you say a taste of togetherness e ma obi abedi dia feeli emutu yi ne ya odi twa efa die ntwa ho kakra mbra e ba
Start your day with a taste that brings everyone together. Abeba Thai jasmine rice, perfect for every moment.
Taste of togetherness. Abeba Thai jasmine rice.
Mom and Dad, this rice
smells like celebration.
Abeba Thai jasmine rice.
Hey, Daddy!
Ladies, gentlemen, enjoy Abeba Thai jasmine rice.
Mr. Pia, what guy shinkafa da shinkafa ne?
Abeba Thai jasmine sawab. Bow, what me die?
Whether it's a family dinner, a business meeting,
Abeba jasmine Thai rice, perfecto.
or a celebration, Abeba jasmine rice elevates every meal. Abeba jasmine rice, a taste of togetherness. This advert is FDA approved.
Aha, ebusia still a yegusu Abele choba. Na makacho se obedi fufu a se ko choba ya wo fufu no wadrom. Ya wo se ma me kama po ba so no. Ba charity e na o hwe nkwan. Ma me wadi amani nsa me srawo. Wadi ani so afa pa. Ayiko. Na odi de say.
Me de Emilia.
Auntie Emilia. Auntie Emilia na me hu se wa hohore we kwa na so se hohore na minni na da bia se na ya oye no ho se unya sika se na mpanyufo kan no udi bisie na de kakra nyamedwuma na aka na ode atwa wani mafra okra na ode akua akwabna na abna na se afia
me de akua
oba akua yo na Abele ha no wan na kire wo se aduane bi ede wo ha
Abele ha de mi fridi di ha nya ne kra mi di ha cheye Abele ye aduane ya ne sha ase di ha nya ne wa me ne me nan fofo ne aba eja da be didi me kwa me to me ba me be didi tembia
nti wo hwa wankasa no what did you how many years
oh ache
because Abele ye adwuman abro 30 years o
be 30 years
be 30 years na so what did you do about 26 27 years hey na sana Abele agi wa boss yi utimi ye fufuo ofie wankasa unya kwan ye fufuo anani ofa kira Abele nkwan na agi uti umpense hu bia na obre no die
na ma be di Abele
that's right na Michelle ufufuo no udi a eye banchi any body combination and now pemenka na bagre nkwan
banchi
any body
okay
nti na oba banchi ne body combination na oje open it din asante for the posim and now open mlemlemle honey ho hey mami as on party bi ye ntinti edin bare any no open mlemlemle ne honey yo na enam no protein no so we your twi anase kisi okisie kwam jesi no kwam jesi
na meje akrantie
nitino ube hunyansa pa ena oji akoko ena wonsu yamade ena enwa na 1 2 3 waje nwa kwases ena tolo beef na nwa nsa na waje edumi so amenya bi
obenya
ya meti ase
ebi wo ho
mame me hu se fufuo nso de me hu se bottles wanim help Africa in some way there Kwame Nkrumah na ebie ye obi hokfo na ye 1958 acheye the first distillery company West Africa enwa help Africa no na waje kaka o pepper wo ho
me pepper
nti ye budidi
enwa na me twa
fantifo se too didi
enwa na me twa bi na me didi
nti uto a na wazi nti ene to kaka na me akono ana isuo ni so no na wo sa wo ye member Daron natural mineral water madam wani abi wate wani abi obakuya enti no na mame nkwan no ori nam ni nyina wie na difo nkwan no me so aya wo nom
me nom pa
na why obayi onoma mpanyifo say ye oden eye den mu
nkwa de nipa didi anu anu nkwan
sawo
ba obe ma onu nkwan na hyehyɛ o
na hyehyɛ
nkwa ma be ma ho ye fe ba ho ye fe
hyehyɛ ti ma na hyehyɛ mo he
ye baby
ni he kukubo bi akona hona na mbeta mete that's right it's just here ya nkwan no fufuo dia untimi ni fufuo nkwan ni ho aha na eye the engine room of Abele Choba but banche ne body ne de na kade nkan wa ye ntimi ni fufuo no na mi nwa ba ni nkomo na on cheche na ekoso abi ni aba eti say ebetu Abele ebetu ekoyi angaza na udi ngasa de say ka chire obakuya ami Musa ene nkwan dodo san na moye
na nkwan ne de wa wani tuya na wa ha
ande gua bebre no da kroto bia mutimi ye nkwan dodo be say 15 akono na enam ne nambe na o nsumnam ne nkwa nwam
sie wo ho akrantie wo ho otwe wo ho apese adoa kokote kankane
kokote no ne ade nyina fantastic
ana
ebunabun so wo
ana ya wo akosobo de no
bia so na fa me koto ye nkoto we ye kisie yeah nada jesi ne na mo dem enye edumi so ya mama bi wate yesu nie wanie akrantie that's right there's an finance and namu di bi gum an kofo ba na eba we ya den
wonso ye beef no
that's right beef na nchin kakra wo mu no all the hono me papa ade ade bia nchin wo mu start with kana mintie nchin bobi nanso bobi ensuo wo eton
we ya
ebunabunu nini gola matasa ja masa bibia bi wa Abele
bi wa ha wonso ye fi akoko
na sa Abele de yanfa ofos akoko enya aduane we efie fresh aya sent ne kura mete Yeah, who is this? Hey! Yamadia Yati in Sapanchina Pancha, no. Where the ultimate say? And you're dying the bubon, you're trying to minute. That's right. That's right. Now, how soon you?
Where's the salmon?
All the best independence and Aqua, someone else so soon. Where the Acasium, Mammy, so near Muye. Muchadianoma Aya Cono. Sana Ghana, Atiano, more shaman Crawford, Eddie Yammy. Why are you? Adwa. No, no. Any class is semi already down. Then I'm so bad, the papa.
Where are Pesse?
A Pesse. All the best. I've been quiet. That's Ramity.
When I are train,
where do you mean? I'm who's your train? Your train. And Janka. Yo, catch me. Ya bano. Say Abele, you for Abele choba. No, be I recommend you be time Ben Pana every day, piano. By time Ben at Ghanaian ready.
11:30.
And upon 11:30, now you're ready. Let you do and I'm a show you could drive war at 2 hours. I don't see. I know you're very important. I'll cut your bar. Mammy or Tiway, you have any brother. Omni what? Unya for penny. And the house was saying, say, if you're phone in Tino. Bibi Omuye Biano. Come on. Omu Bibia send a bit Mamma what the amber for him would dear when you're holding. Mammy would young as I saying,
but your gifty,
Auntie Gifty. And now, German so they say, Yao Dane. Buffer, fantastic. Gifty, what can Fufuo inferior was in?
Oh,
6 years. Only Mama had my 6 years. But before that, now come for Fufuo.
I had best.
Nancy, I chill, and they were doing so soon. I want us out to ultimate canon.
And Yagro,
one more on Sada.
Pacho Debbie.
Papa and I, Obay, and what's the same?
My sister,
but experience in tea and wilder. Almost so many but Tramamu. Would you come on one and say, wouldn't him now the promise? I'm sure. How about that is say, of I also what for Madam Mama come for 6 years. What Fufuo in fear to do a saying?
Oh, actually.
Bear how many years?
About 20 years.
20 years. Now, Oba, Hana Shasi, and now Shasi or baby and Sana Oba. Baby, now Oba, Abele choba, Mama, how did I do man fear to do a saying? They say I'm about to answer the minute. Kofa by Nanka Sankasa, Mammy and Kasankasa, and everything come on. Mamma Bacope. Abele, Mama. Abele, Mama. Mana, Musao, Udianka Sankasa, where Johnny on other two would say. Yam Ponsa, Akono, Yam Ponsa, na Ufiku Bench. Hey! And ya medium new. Medium new. Very Mamma Kuntim, I trim the Brock Radasso. And on him, Recusi had necessity. Yet I said, Chromope. Sense way back one at the Ghana, Yura, Daro, and no a dying sons. Almost winning. More the fire. Yo, Mammy, Fufuo in fear to do a sign our chassis.
Who wanted it? It has said the Ben fear the son.
30 years. What shall I say with him?
It shall say what they were top.
Okay. Come to 3 higher, Manamo was slow. Okay. Now, what shall I say? Get to everything and our bone crash.
Kakra. And kind of woman at Biani a Pomoha.
No, Biani, higher pot. Yes, I don't say that your bush.
Enti a piano dear. Na yana near ye cabin. Ye mutu. And Kunkunte. First. And then Kakra. Let's say a book for the account.
Obiabe, you may be a bibin a can of money. Almost opportunity be that when you be down. Na o me ba habo no driver for twikasa kese ana habo for amunya duane ni
sebre no edi afi no wosi kom tetre ase eda no nti na ye wo esoro ha ye duane e ma workers no
ebediti
workers
nti inferi do say na o move ba ase ha
aha mom de ye ba ye enfie do no de ni ye ba ha
bi abe 18 years you
there be ade ba ase he o
ase ha
there say near top
and had your mobile be 18 years that's right mami nurse o hwe nkofo afa wonsem adidi a enipa enyonyamfo bebre eba ne sen na oye aduane ma eye de na nkofo agi watum na ye bodin no mu bedi na won sesa no bebre no kodidi ba Ghana fo no menu ama ne mem bebi kakra mu ye aduane kakra no mutima mu de na niama ode ye no na wo se no na ofram na ade na sei ba wo de ide sana ne de ne tie na da no na ekoso edian
yes aye de no de enkontomra na we gene ni ade titiri gene ye nkwan
ati gene ne doso garlic no ne hwentia ne pepper no nkwan kama nti won se sound no da na won se onyin bam ti mufra no nso aso mu but o tie kire o control o kire no mo ye nti nyema wo de ye sha ase ankofo ade watu wo de kan di nkoma chop se mo se so mo san
de no an won se wo de
This is yours truly, for one. In case you are a chop bar or you are an eatery and you want us to promote your place for you, all you need to do is to call our number 055-83-11146. Sharp, yours truly, for one. And I said the Food Marshal IBK, Tiffany Bajoso, and we'll pay you a visit. Come cover your place and we'll promote you for you. What I say, we'll be promoting you in case you want us, Fufuo Wo Krom, to come and promote your chop bar or your eatery for you. All you need to do is to call us on our telephone number 055-83-11146. IBK the Food Marshal. We will be there with the team and promote your place for you. Fufuo Wo Krom, aha, and a bustle. Fufuo no family na. Manuel Babruta. Kache, where have you at it? Medase. And yet, media feeling. Afiafo, afena mi nso adu mi so. What I say, send ankofo atete ne meba na Manuel toso sa. Ba du mi so. Aya niam mi lu very simple. What I say, aduane de e se odi kan wo me afiafia ni kan ni fufu. Insamba ko penso ni edi fufu help Africa. That's it. A little one for start. Cheers. Nipa bias, but you can catch yourself. Ubedidia. For quick digestion, there's no musu. But no musu, they are like darrow natural mineral water. And so I say Ghana Jatu Miriasi and the papa. If you are chamber grow, if you are put time, the pulse. A sip or two of water gives quick digestion. My real is no. Here suka crabby keke. Oh, Bansana no. I mean, ya could be I do an army when you for him. I would jam a fucking. Ya could be a nego. Roman Sakakra. Sani a candidate, candidate. Baby face fufu. Say God bless the farmer, the cooker and the eater. Yeah. Tunani apese akrantie tolo beef. Then one ever chassis. We boy. Koye Abele choba TEMA come to 3 side B the man fufu are no size ajimi kuma kakra introa ufante bosa introa ba Jare, era dia na no. One person kakra. Minya kwana mnidi na mfuni. Right. Fufuo Wo Krom. But answer na no. Some friend kwan kakra. This is my scepter. I have come to 3. Side B. Abele Choba. Internationally acclaimed scepter. Gushi. Kwani mo de a pea papa. Kenyan is here, you know. We share next week. Same time, different location. Unia, I am your host. I became the food marshal. When I'm kase impu. Ushamia, Fajimi. Fufuo Wo Krom. Say ehi and the bosso. When I'm a show baby a bosso. Week ready, you what TEMA. Abele Choba. Community 3 site B. El Coso. Fufuo Wo Krom is sponsored by Help Afrique from Gihok Distilleries, Daro Natural Mineral Water, and Abiba Thai Jasmine Rice.